fix Minecraft error. Hi everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Minecraft error. If you are encountering an error in Minecraft, it could be due to a variety of reasons including software issues, hardware compatibility, or configuration problem. So this is the step-by-step guide on how to fix Minecraft error. Whether you are dealing classes, lag connection issues, or startup errors. Let's dive into the process to fix the Minecraft error. First step is that you have to update the Minecraft here. Ensure that you have the latest version of your Minecraft installed on your device. So if an update is available, then you have to download and install it on your device. So you have to just go for the Play Store and search for the Minecraft. Once you have searched for the Minecraft here, if there is any update available on your Minecraft, you have to also after that ensure your device meet the minimum system requirement to run Minecraft. So for your Android device, it will require the 4.2 or later OS. So your RAM storage of your the storage of your device should be at least 1 GB of free space. If your device is below this specification, Minecraft may not run smoothly or it might face the crash frequently. Also, a simple restart can often resolve the minor bugs, crashes, or glitches in Minecraft. You have to hold down the power button, then you can select the restart or reboot button here. Once your device restarts, try running Minecraft again. If your Minecraft is not loading or crashing here, you can try clearing the cache and data, which might help you. You have to navigate to your device setting and scroll down, go for your app. Once you are on your app, you have to search for the Minecraft. Once you have searched for the Minecraft here, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you can also clear the app data, which will reset the app to its default setting. This will log out from your current account. Just go for the clear all data and tap on the OK option. After clearing the data, you can open the game again and check the issue is fixed or not. If the issue is still affecting on your device, you can try uninstalling the game and reinstalling it from your Google Play Store. So this is the simple step how you can fix your Minecraft problem arising on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.